Regulatory English templates for FDA, EMA, AI-ready models. Welcome! This micro-lesson is for professionals preparing correspondences with FDA and EMA reviewers. Our goal is to help you draft clear, compliant English using ready-to-adapt templates that fit regulatory expectations. You'll learn how to structure messages, choose a neutral tone, and support claims with evidence. These templates also pair well with AI-assisted drafting, so you can move faster without sacrificing quality. By the end, you'll have concise formats for clarifying deficiencies, providing data, justifying deviations, and requesting meetings. Everything you need to communicate precisely and professionally under tight timelines. Use a neutral, evidence-first tone. Lead with facts, not opinions. Data from Study 102 show, rather than "we believe." Keep short paragraphs and clear headings so reviewers can scan quickly. Label sections like background, response, and attachments. Apply the Rule 1 request equals 1 paragraph to avoid mixing asks. For example, separate request for clarification from request for deadline extension. Avoid adjectives that oversell. Prefer measurable statements, units, and references. When in doubt, trim narrative and foreground data, methods, and the regulatory impact of your conclusion. Start with appreciation and confirmation. Thank you for the deficiency letter dated the 12th of August. We acknowledge receipt. Then, restate the deficiency in plain terms to confirm understanding. The agency requests justification for assay variability exceeding 10% CV. Provide a point-by-point response, mirroring the reviewer's numbering to keep alignment. For each point, include specific data, reference tables or figures, and list attachments. See Table 2 for lot level 105. Attachment A provides raw data. Close with a clear next step. If acceptable, we will implement the revised control limits by the 30th of September. Open with a precise purpose. This submission provides additional bioequivalence data for Lot B. Define dataset scope, time window, sample size, inclusion criteria. Under Methods, summarize protocols, controls, instruments, and statistics used, noting any deviations from guidance. Present results with units, confidence intervals, and uncertainty. Cmax ratio 0.98, 90% CI 0.92 to 1.05. Interpret findings in regulatory terms. What changes, what doesn't, and the impact on benefit risk. End with a direct statement. These data address Deficiency 2. No labeling changes are proposed. List attachments and file names for traceability. Begin by describing the deviation clearly. We used a 24-hour stability hold versus the 12-hour limit in guidance. Provide rationale grounded in science and operations. Include a risk assessment, severity, occurrence, detectability, and mitigations implemented. Compare against comparators and precedents. Cite relevant guidance sections and publicly available decisions to show alignment where possible. Explain why the residual risk is acceptable and how product quality or patient safety is protected. Close with commitments, corrective actions, timelines, and plans for future alignment or protocol updates. Offer monitoring metrics and acceptance criteria to verify ongoing control. State the purpose and the decision needed. We request a Type B meeting to agree on the Phase 3 primary endpoint. Provide topics with time estimates to show focus. 1. Endpoint justification, 15 minutes. 2. Statistical model, 10 minutes. 3. Safety monitoring plan, 10 minutes. List participants and materials, roles, affiliations, and any briefing package content. Propose dates and format. Virtual versus in-person, with time zones. End with a concise ask. Please confirm availability or suggest alternatives. This structure signals preparation, respects reviewer time, and increases the chance of a productive discussion. Assign the AI a clear role. You are a regulatory writer for FDA EMA. Provide inputs, the agency's question text, relevant guidance citations, and the data tables or summaries. Specify outputs, a structured draft with headings, and a checklist verifying traceability, units, and references. Add guardrails, no speculation. Flag data gaps, cite sources and assumptions. Ask for alternatives. Provide a concise version and a detailed version. Finally, request a redline-ready draft using numbered responses that mirror the agency's list, plus a log of open items and required attachments. Before submitting, confirm traceability to source data. Each claim should map to a table, figure, or attachment. Ensure terminology matches guidance. Use the agency's wording for endpoints, populations, and analyses. Redact confidential information where required, and mark proprietary sections appropriately. Verify units, confidence intervals, and rounding rules. Check that every request or commitment has a clear next step, owner, and date. Run a final consistency check across sections, file names, and numbering. Close respectfully. We appreciate the agency's review and are available for any clarification. This polish signals reliability and speeds review.